Welcome! If your Instagram inbox is overflowing and you want to tidy things up, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to delete a chat on Instagram, making your direct messages cleaner and more organized. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage your messages. Once you're on your home feed, look for the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap it to open your direct messages inbox. Now scroll through your list of conversations and find the chat you want to remove. Maybe it's an old conversation you no longer need, or just something you want to clear out for privacy. When you've found the chat, press and hold your finger on it for a second or two. This will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu that appears, tap on Delete. Instagram will usually ask you to confirm your choice, reminding you that deleting a chat will only remove it from your own inbox. The conversation will still be visible to the other person unless they delete it too. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap Delete again to confirm. And that's it. The chat will instantly disappear from your inbox, giving you a cleaner and more organized direct messages section. Remember, once a chat is deleted, it can't be recovered, so make sure you don't need any important information from that conversation before you remove it. If you have more chats to delete, just repeat these steps for each conversation. Keeping your inbox clutter-free not only makes it easier to find important messages, but also helps protect your privacy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you in the next one.